What is up, guys? Welcome to the channel. As you guys can tell by the title, we got a new mod for the Duramax. I feel like this is something we needed to do a while ago, but I finally got it, and it makes sense because we got the new trailer. So let's go head on outside and I'm gonna show you what we're doing. Before we get into the install on the truck, I want to say I showed you guys the dent that was right here. Previous owner must have hit something and it caved it in right at the corner. I used new diamond plate. I was able to reuse the screws that were there, so I had to re-drill everything. I used 3M behind here to get it to stay, and then I riveted everything. Did it on this side too, just to make it to where it's symmetrical. And of course I did the new breakaway there. All right, guys, so here it is. So we got planned today. New receiver hitch. This is a Curt class 5, I believe. It's one with another 2-inch one, but yeah, it's like the carbide steel, you know, matte black look. It's built to, I think it's like 16,000 pound rating or whatever. Strong enough. The one on the Duramax now is getting a little rough. Kind of just see it's getting a little rusty. The welds right here, of course, their paint's chipping off, paint's chipping there. I'm gonna be hauling that trailer you guys just seen. Not that that's that heavy, but I get the new solid axle. I'm gonna be doing bags in the rear, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbolt this thing and pull this sucker out. Easy, guys. Just pull these out. These are 13/16, these little bolts. And then this is the one that came with the road armor bumper, which went right there. We got 2 more, right? 1, 2, and obviously 1, 2, or 1, 2, 3 over here. So we got 5 left to pull out. Really easy. I just had all this stuff out. You have to relocate this piece right here on the new piece, which wouldn't be too bad, but that was actually for the struts, like the braces for the Gen Y hitch. We have to relocate that. I don't know when I'll do that. The wiring, gotta get all this out of the way. Pull this out. I believe it just spins. Yeah, I mean, this ain't bad, but you can kind of see where everything's bubbling up, the paint. A lot of water just seems to accumulate right there because it's coming off the bumper. So, yeah, it's in rough shape. Nothing horrible, of course. Like, I've seen some way worse ones. Pretty easy to tell the difference. This is just a normal just tube. This is a big, full, square, I would say 3-inch square tube there. Look at the thickness there. Look at the thickness there. It's unreal. This one actually grabbed to the bumper right here, which this new one is not gonna do that. So I gotta figure out how that's gonna sit. I hope there ain't an issue there. That might suck. I think it will be fine, but we'll see. Go ahead and see what this looks like. All right, guys, so this is what it comes with. Well, this is half of it. I already put the other side up. I'm gonna reuse the road armor bolt, like I said, right there. I already got it up there temporarily just to hold this thing up. This piece, or the new hole right here, this piece goes on top of the frame right there. All right, there it is. Gotta bolt it up. Well, it's not fully bolted up. It's up there. It needs to be tightened up. So right now you just gotta center it. See, it's kind of off to the right a little bit. So I just gotta center it and tighten it down. We're good to go. 2,400 pound tongue weight, 16,000 pound trailer weight, 17,000 weight distribution. Pretty strong. I want to say that's only rated close to half of that. I mean, I know this truck isn't rated to tow that much from the factory because it's 05. I think it was rated to tow like 10 or 11,000. I could be wrong, but this kind of drives it up a little bit. Of course, I towed my boat with this one. Overkill for what I do, but you never know. So
the next day.
Alrighty, guys, we got a few more things to do. Let it start raining here. Here we got this, just to get this put in place. I got it zip tied just so it doesn't swing. This is just gonna bolt right here. Pretty easy. So go ahead and knock this out real quick and then we're done. All right, so we're done. I'm not a huge fan of how this thing connects, but too long. Bolts go down here. Not a fan. I think there could have been a better way. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, it don't look bad. I mean, it looks pretty clean actually, but how do you guys like that? It used to be just like a brushed aluminum or stainless, and now it's black chrome. I wrapped that black chrome. I do a few more things black chrome. I'm not too sure yet. All right, guys, so that's gonna do it for this one. As you guys see, it's pouring out. It's been raining for a while now, but yeah, I wanted to do a quick video just showing you another mod I'm doing to the Duramax, kind of getting it ready to go for this long trip. And as you guys know, we towing that thing, and not to say that it's super heavy, but I wanted something a little more stout and a little newer, and so I decided to go with one of those. Just in case I want to pull something really heavy in the future, I went ahead and just did it. But yeah, not a super exciting mod. I know a lot of you guys aren't excited for that, but yeah, just figured I'd take you guys along for basically every mod I do to these trucks. And so, yeah, this is a Curt. It's a class 5 hitch. If you guys want the old one off my truck, hit me up. Just pay for the shipping. I'll ship it to you. But yeah. Yeah, it's fairly easy, and the little trailer plug mount was pretty easy too. I don't really like the design of it, but it works. So what are you gonna do? It don't matter. Yeah, it works. So, but yeah, that's gonna do it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a like if you like Duramaxes, Cummins, just all diesel stuff, off-roading, that kind of stuff. I know this wasn't an RV straight pipe or RV video or a angry neighbor video that a lot of you guys subscribed for, but you know, this is part of my other videos of, you know, just modding my vehicles and taking you guys along for the ride. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.